About a couple days ago I made a review of this one cheap cell phone from AliExpress, and I said that I need two difference, this one with mechanical keyboard and at least cheap cell phones from Ali, and this one costs only $17, but it has micro USB, it's ordinary cell phone. And also I ordered this one, it's really interesting. I at least at first see that it's smartphone with 2 SIM plus card SD, and also it combine this one keyboard and this one sensitive display. Inside we have Android. That's really strange with mechanical keyboard. What I will show you, so it have about 8 gigabytes inside RAM, and about 5% is free for different apps. You can put the separately apps. For example, I added Telegram, or you can add something like GPS navigator or something other messenger, for example Skype, for example WhatsApp, Viber, and any other things. I tried to log it in Play Market by Chrome, but at least I download directly APK and install it on smartphone. It work correctly. Next one, what I want to show you, this one big speaker and sound. That's really cool. It's like portable speaker. What, for example, we will start. Or something like other. Maybe not perfect sound, but it really works. What I also want to say is this one multifunctional button. I added the function for start flashlight and stop flashlight. Next one, what I interesting, Type-C. Maybe it's better to buy it with dock station, cause if you want to use it like a smartphone for really hard working, something outdoor activities, maybe this one would be not perfect solution, cause it have battery only for a couple days using as ordinary smartphone. So that's really strange. Thing I never saw before. Something like it with Android inside. We'll show you something more. So I want to say it's not very small. For example, this one Mi 9, Xiaomi Mi 9. It's portable and compact smartphone, 5.2 inch or something about it. And next one, what also not very good here, it don't have NFC I love to use it without cash, without wallet. All you need in the city is your smartphone and all will be fine. But at least that's interesting thing. In description would be link with more photo, more info about it, and also would be link where I bought it. It costed about $71 or about $80 with dock station. I recommend to buy with dock station. That's all. Thank you for watching. Put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see a lot of new reviews. That's all. Bye bye.